Olathree boys.
Today we're going to be doing, I'm not sure. Tell me that thing.
So today we are going to be making a very tasty sandwich.
All of these ingredients, yummy.
But we're not going to be making a normal sandwich because of course we're not. We're going to be making
weird sandwiches.
very weird sandwiches.
My mind is disgusting.
Yeah, it depends what you get. So how we're going to be playing is, see how we have these little papers inside? It has one of these inside. And to spice it up, and we have the little ball, and how we're going to be playing it to spice it up, if you take one, like let's say if I really wanted this, and then Buller got it from one of these. I can't get it again. Imagine that. So, if someone's got something, you can't get it again.
But it's been real like that. You can look at it again and 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 again.
And that's why we're not using it. So let's get straight up into making our sandwich. Oh guys, I know I almost forgot. As you can see, I have this monster thing on my face.
It's a Fortnite skin.
Yeah, it's not a Fortnite skin.
You said it was.
No, I never.
The demon, hot demon issue.
No, they said they couldn't do that. So
demon.
No, they just gave me like a half monster. Have you ever seen Gotham City, Batman? If you've seen Two-Face, then that's basically what I asked for. Well, I didn't ask for it, but that's basically what I look like. Okay, guys, so let's get straight back into it.
But who's going first? I don't want to go first.
I want to go first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
B.
Now you beat me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
B.
Okay, now you go first. Take one.
Okay, guys, now we have the bread, but what we need to fill up this bread with all the ingredients. So who's going first?
Me.
Yeah, that was you. Go on.
Get your first item. What's that? Open up. You got Hoshies.
Chocolate syrup.
Yeah.
This. I don't like that, so at least I'm happy I didn't get it.
Okay, now my turn. What did I get?
The knife. Yeah. Professional spreader. Look at him go. What did you get?
Sour cherry.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
I'm really strong. I'm gonna be Hulk. Oh! I can't do it. I can't.
Let me see if I can do it.
Hulk. Oh.
Wow, that's with my left hand as well. Even have to use my right hand.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's good. It's good. It's not bad.
It's not kind of good. It's like jelly.
Jelly. Professional spread. Look at him going. Yeah, it's kind of like jam, but like it's more stronger, I would say. I've been smelling it.
I'm not smelling it. Okay, now I'm done.
My turn.
Now I can get this.
Peter.
I want to get the golden syrup.
Chocolate bread.
This is like the worst thing I did not want to get. That sound up first got me.
That's definitely like you have a cut on the open.
Well, the sound up first.
Yeah.
It was like. I was like. Already rude to yourself.
Why did you do that?
Okay, guys, so look at me spreading it like a boss because I'm just so good.
No, you're so bad.
Me, I always make your toast, and every time you guys be eating it because you know it's just so good. Okay, guys, so now it's Dapo's turn again, and we're going to be choosing another syrup. So Dapo, go. I still have a chance to get the golden honey, but now that I got chocolate, it might not be so good.
Do you get golden honey? What? Golden honey!
No!
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna help you open it.
Please tell me I don't get soft cheese. I don't want cheese. Soft cheese.
Alright, now that I have.
Put it down.
Yeah.
Dapo, you're supposed to put it on one side.
Dapo,
but it's fine.
Oh my gosh.
I wish I got the golden honey.
Oh, that looks so good. Okay, I don't want to get soft cheese, so I'm gonna get this one. What did I get? I'm gonna get soft cheese.
Soft cheese. Spread what is honey?
Oh, that looks so disgusting. It looks like this.
So nice.
Okay, do you know what I got? Honey.
So they both got the honey, and I really wanted honey. So I can either get two things. I can get this,
this.
Yeah, so I see if I get soft cheese or that.
What is this? Makes you see.
I'm actually so scared I'm gonna get soft cheese.
Do they have a cover? That's way too much. Now,
Spread it.
This should not me. This should not me.
Guys, so now that was look at him spreading it.
Michael, please get soft cheese.
Where? Repeat at this.
Soft cheese.
I got soft
Soft
cheese.
cheese disgusting.
Have you ever tried it before?
Yeah, I tried it before. Like, oh, look. It's like mayonnaise, but even more badder.
Answer.
Look at this, bad. Keep that away from me.
The smell alone just got
Disgusting.
me.
I know it's soft cheese, but it doesn't.
No.
I'm just a little bit of this.
No,
We don't
cheese
want-
better than that.
We don't want too much of that.
I want to get cheese.
We don't want too much of that.
What is that cheese?
It's like butter trying to be cheese. I mean,
Yeah.
it's cheese trying to be butter. Dapo, it's back to Dapo's turn. Okay, guys, now we're done with all this cereals. We're going to be going over to the main ingredients.
Yummy, yummy.
Dapo, so you're going to go first?
I'm gonna go after.
Okay.
What?
You got a marble apricot. Dapo, you got this.
No.
Yeah, this is it.
That's it.
Look, it is.
Okay. Put it there.
Look, I hope you got it. Why are you sad?
I have no idea.
No, avocado actually really tastes good.
It's a very smart boy. Very smart.
Very smart boy.
It's nice. A good thing you did not put too much of that.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one.
Me too.
Jelly beans. I did jelly beans. Yeah, good jelly
This
beans.
boy loves his jelly beans.
Ah, no wait. Look at the flavors. Kiwi.
There's kiwi.
Is kiwi good? I'm putting kiwi either way. I'm not putting kiwi.
You're not. I think I'm tricking you.
Yeah.
Every time.
You guys can.
Me too.
Yeah, take it then.
This-
Mm,
Okay, what's the flavor I got? I got peach.
Peach?
Okay.
Put way more.
Oh, it's better.
Okay. So I'm gonna put them all inside. Green cooler. I don't care what flavor I get. Add. Oh,
Wow.
that's the soft cheese.
Probably the soft cheese.
No, leave add. Michael, your turn.
Yeah.
Where did that come from? Where did that?
Let's see what I got. Crispy cubes.
I like crispy cubes.
I've never
The
tried them
Cocoa
before.
Pops, I think.
How do you not like something that you've never had before?
I just feel like I've eaten it before.
See, Bullet's the type of person to say he doesn't like something before he even tries it.
Can I try it a little bit?
No,
No.
it's mine.
You eat my jelly beans.
Yeah, that was your fault.
That's so nice.
Okay, guys, I'm about to open it.
It's so nice.
Oh wow, it really,
Eat Cocoa Pops.
it really is. It's like those
But I have nuts inside.
what nuts.
No.
look at that
This looks nice.
You can eat
I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Oh wait, never mind, guys. I just have a great idea. I should it's soft.
Is it?
Yeah, but let me crumble it to make it small. Come on, so make little parts. So I can make this nice and detailed.
That's disgusting.
Hopefully I can get all of this disgusting soft cheese out.
Yeah, because I can smell it from all the way here, and I think it's like deodorant.
You know, imagine if soft cheese is actually good and it just smells so disgusting. Like it's one of those food that smell nice, but then it's truly actually disgusting.
Maki, you said it backwards. You said it backwards. You said it so nice, but you actually disgusting. Okay, Dapo turn, then we'll move to Dapo again. What's this?
What's this?
Stop cheating, put it away.
Of course, it is.
What's this, huh?
Can you look?
It says macros, which is these.
Wait, that was from the macros.
Yeah.
Macros. Hey, look at macros. Is that
Look
hot
at
chocolate?
that head, looks like Bendy. Baldy.
If
If
you had a
Baldy,
wife.
if Baldy has, yeah.
Is that
Looks
dark
like
chocolate
Bendy.
that will smell
It's
it?
Baldy. If Baldy had a wife.
It's dark chocolate.
I'm putting. But I think I would break it up like into little pieces if I was you. That feels so
It's
soft.
like a cake.
Dappo, come on, put it on this. Dappo, put it on the wrong side. Put it on this side. Dappo, use this side so you can put everything on easily.
Yeah, easily, man.
Come
Easily,
on,
man.
yeah.
That looks so weird. Yeah, I knew.
Yeah, come on, Dappo, put more.
Big Cooper jelly beans. I put way too much on it. I'm gonna put more. Okay, now it's my turn. I got my finger ready.
Dappo, what did you get?
Cookies!
No!
Cookies!
Oh, I wanted to get that so bad.
Cookies!
Oh, that's serious.
Yes, I'm gonna put this all in. I'm gonna go mad.
Please give me one, please, please, please.
Take one.
Oh, thank you.
Double, you take one too.
Oh, so lucky you got cookies there.
Cookies, that's enough.
Should we put Audie?
No.
So far, blue's one looks so nice.
I know.
Like, let's see, that has
That's
that
enough.
and honey.
Michael.
Okay, guys, so now it's my turn.
Kit Kat!
Kit Kat! I'm gonna kit, then cat. Kit, then cat.
You're gonna kit the cat. You're gonna kit the cat. You're gonna kit the cat. Matthew, you should not Kit Kat. What are they? Keep it on your face.
No, I kit, then cat. Kit, then cat.
You can only put
Kit
one.
Kat.
I can put as much as I want.
I'm trying to cake. Cake.
Oh, this is hard to open.
Michael, you look like dog food.
Wow.
You look like dog
It's been a while since I've had a Kit Kat. Okay, guys, so I'm breaking my Kit Kat into little pieces. There. Maybe one more. Just to finish up the finishing touch. And let me open it. And open. Who opens and closes it? There we go. There we go.
Thank you.
10 minutes later.
It went everywhere.
Oh, it's gonna taste nice. That was your turn now.
What?
That's nice. Hey,
What are you gonna get?
I really want to get the dairy milk. What did you get?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Here you go.
Woo! That's what you got.
You should be happy.
Yeah, but those are so nice coming up forward. Dapper, do you like them?
You're okay.
You want me to help you?
The whole thing.
Oh, Dapper, you can put half of it. That's so much. Dapper's gonna look so nice, guys.
My mama doesn't look like a crumble mess.
No, but you got all the good stuff.
I've got one
Come on,
that.
Dapper, put it. Dump it in.
Okay, now I'm gonna do my turn when Apple put in his delicious chocolates.
Oh, Dapper, you know what's gonna be so nice? A lovely chocolate sandwich. Come on, put it on in.
Oh, Michael, look what I got.
You
Dairy
can't-
chocolate. I got dairy
Just
chocolate.
be cheating, but whatever.
Oh, I got dairy chocolate. The one that Michael wanted.
Just rubbing in my face. Don't worry. When I get marshmallows, I'll just be like this. Watch.
Okay. Crumble that in. You get crumbled. That's it.
Guys, Bull and Dapper ones are basically the same.
So mine does look better. Yeah. Oreos.
Okay, guys. So now it's my turn. I'm about to get it, and I'm about to open. And I got shortbread fingers.
That sounds so weird. Chocolate fingers.
They're actually so nice.
That's so
If
nice.
you've ever had them before.
You had them.
That's so nice.
It's like cookies but shortbread, but they're made.
And I'm done.
The best.
Dapper's turn. Guys, we only have 2 more.
Marshmallows.
What did you get? He got marshmallows! That rubbish I put in his face. That would do a big 3 dots in his face. Yeah! So you think you can get away rubbing dairy milk inside my face? How dare you?
Which one? Okay, I can get Oreos inside one of these.
It's Oreo or the chocolate milk.
Okay, Oreo, please. They put me these Oreos are the little one, but I'm gonna choose the big one to switch up.
You want to do the little one?
You don't.
Okay, now I can get
Go.
Oreos.
What did you get? What did you get? That's milk! Just by how long it is, I can already tell. Oh, so I'm gonna have lovely Oreos.
I'm not gonna take the Oreos.
Kato, I find funny. The fact that Bulla got 2 of the different versions. You got the white and black.
Can you open it?
You want me to help?
You okay?
Dapper, he's already got it.
Okay, I'm only gonna put a little bit of this because I don't have the
You
same.
hardly have any space. I mean, yeah, you do have the same, but you just have the white chocolate version.
1, 2,
The cherry on top.
3. Now done. Now done.
Okay, guys, I don't even have to take the thing, but just to shove it inside Bullet's
Take
face.
it.
I'll just. But do you know what that says? Because I can't read it. Do you know-
I'm not sure what that's there. I think it's saying organ. Organ. I think it's saying organ.
Organ.
Enough space.
That's it.
No, there's more.
Okay, that's it. Why don't they keep such a big boxes? That's it.
Ooh, this is like 4.
Yeah, you too.
So one package you get 4, but they're really little.
I don't think I'm gonna put too much because
Don't
I
try to
don't-
get diabetes.
stop saying that. I don't want to put too much because I don't like Oreos that much. Like I like Oreos, but I don't like the stacked up flavor when you eat too much.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, guys, are you guys ready? Well, we have to put the next person. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. Oh, I can't even lift the other thing. Okay, I'm gonna do my first
Oh,
bite.
this for dog.
Oh,
Oh, that's for dog.
Oh my god, thank you. I can't even taste the soft cheese. I'm so happy. Mm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I think
I really like my one.
not really.
Who's gonna be combining this is like a weird flavor?
Do you know what was it called? This. You know the crispy cubes.
Yeah.
I'm just literally tasting only that because I put in such a big bit.
Going back to the cookies, the white chocolate and the dairy chocolate and a lot of jelly beans.
What is that? What is that dish?
I can't eat that jam.
Yummy in my
What's
tummy.
that dish?
Wow. Do you even taste that?
Yeah.
This is yummy in my tummy.
I want to take one of those jelly beans down and eat it.
Mm.
I got vanilla flavor. Oh.
It's okay.
Guys, we're just gonna sit here and enjoy our sandwiches. They're so nice. But make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And it's been Olathree boys. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.